Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, just tap on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings, choose Display, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen feature. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is definitely off, but you can turn it back on by clicking on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!